Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we delve into the fascinating world of personal transformation and spiritual awakening. Today, we are going to explore a powerful concept known as the magical looking glass rule. This rule, rooted in the principles of self-reflection and manifestation, offers a path towards profound personal growth and positive change. By understanding and harnessing the power of this rule, we can begin to shape our reality and create the life we truly desire. Okay, let's begin. The magical looking glass rule is a concept that has the potential to revolutionize our lives. It emphasizes the importance of becoming the person we want to be internally, as this will then manifest externally in our reality. It teaches us that if we don't evolve within ourselves, nothing will evolve in our lives. Mastering this truth can lead to abundance in all aspects of life. It requires us to confront our own torments and reflections, which is not always an easy task. However, if we are genuinely ready for major change, this is a critical message we need to hear. Our reality is a reflection of our thoughts and beliefs. If we want to change our reality, we have to change our minds and examine what we are thinking and feeling. We need to choose thoughts and emotions that are aligned with our true selves, our higher selves, our soul. Our reality demonstrates our relationship with ourselves and the world. It is a mirror of our inner and outer realms. For example, let's revisit the example of becoming wealthy. If our association with money is that we are not capable of making money or not good at making money, then our reality will mirror that belief. It will give us more proof of why we can't make money. Let's now discuss about the power of self-reflection and affirmations. Positive affirmations and self-reflection are powerful tools for personal growth and development. They have gained popularity in the self-help industry, but if you're new to the concept, it can feel strange or awkward. However, there is genuine theory and neuroscience behind these practices that make them worth exploring. Positive affirmations involve consciously and repeatedly stating positive statements about yourself or your desired reality. They aim to change your beliefs and mindset, rewiring your brain to focus on positive thoughts and outcomes. By consistently affirming positive statements, you can create a new self-image and worldview that aligns with your long-term vision and goals. Self-reflection plays a crucial role in shaping our reality. By understanding and connecting with our inner selves, we can gain clarity about what we want and who we want to become. It is essential to define our long-term vision and identify the daily activities, interests, and values that align with that vision. This clarity helps us create our desired identity and shape our reality accordingly. Incorporating affirmations and self-reflection into our daily lives can have numerous benefits. They can increase self-confidence, motivation, and happiness. But my friends, it is also important to address skepticism and misconceptions about positive affirmations. While they are not a magical solution, they can be effective when practiced consistently and combined with action. Consistency and repetition are key to maximizing the impact of affirmations. By regularly affirming positive statements and reflecting on our thoughts and actions, we can gradually shift our mindset and create positive change in our lives. When it comes to manifesting our desires, patience backed with spiritually aligned action is the key. It's not enough to simply have a goal or desire. We must also take steps towards it in a way that aligns with our spiritual beliefs and values. This could involve setting intentions, visualizing our desired outcome, or taking inspired action that feels right to us. We need to ask ourselves, who am I right now, and who do I want to be? By examining our self-perception and worldview, we can identify any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be holding us back. It is important to replace these with affirmations that support our desired reality, such as "I am worthy and abundant," or "the world conspires in my favor." By repeating these affirmations daily, we can internalize them and shift our mindset towards one of positivity and abundance. However, it's important to remember that manifestation takes time in the physical world. While we can visualize and create an image in our inner world instantaneously, the manifestation of desires in the physical realm is subject to the laws of physics and the nature of dense matter. This means that things may not manifest instantly, and we need to be patient and trust in the process. This brings us to the third rule of manifestation: persistence. We must persist in our beliefs long enough for our desires to manifest. It is essential to adopt the identity of someone who already embodies what we want to be and act as that person would. By holding on to this identity and belief, even in the face of challenges or setbacks, we create the energetic space for our desires to manifest. It's important to note that ups and downs are inevitable in the manifestation journey. There may be times when our belief wavers or our mood declines. However, it is crucial to remain true to our created identity and not let these temporary setbacks derail us. Just like a wave pattern, there will be peaks and troughs, but by persisting in our beliefs and staying aligned with our desires, we can eventually see our manifestations come to fruition. Friends, the mirror of life reflects not our thoughts themselves, but their essence. When we constantly express dissatisfaction and concentrate on what we don't have, we inadvertently attract more of what we complain about. For example, if we constantly say, "I hate my job," we are likely to experience more dissatisfaction at work. This negative worldview reinforces scarcity and prevents us from seeing the abundance that already exists in our lives. To break free from this cycle, we need to consciously shift our perspective and focus on what we already have and what we want to achieve. This expansion of our comfort zone allows us to make progress and bring our desires into manifestation. This brings us to the concept of the mirror cycle, which is key to creating lasting change. The mirror cycle starts with observation, where we reflect on our past attitudes, complaints, and unconscious choices that have led us to our present moment. Without judgment, we observe our current reality and use this observation to form a new internal image of what we want to see reflected back to us. The mirror has no choice but to reflect back our image, and as a result, a new reality is formed based on our reflected image. However, many people remain trapped in the same cycle, addictively watching the same patterns repeat and wondering why they keep experiencing the same negative outcome. The key to breaking this cycle is to consciously manipulate our internal image and consistently present a new reality to the mirror. To break this cycle, we need to learn how to have our own back. One way to do this is by becoming aware of our automatic response and making eye contact with ourselves in the mirror. This simple act of maintaining eye contact can help us connect with ourselves on a deeper level. From there, we can call out what's going on inside and talk ourselves back to a neutral or empowered place. But it's not just about addressing our thoughts and feelings in the moment. It's also about envisioning the reality we wish to inhabit. We need to consciously craft that image of the future and hold it firmly in mind. This is where the power of manifestation comes into play. By focusing on our desired reality and celebrating even small glimpses of it manifesting, we become true creators of our own world. Friends, here we conclude our video. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey through the magical looking glass rule. We hope that you have found inspiration and valuable insights to apply in your own life. If you enjoyed this video, we kindly request you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our future content designed to help you on your manifestation journey. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Your feedback and engagement mean the world to us, and we love hearing about the positive changes you are experiencing in your life. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embracing the magic of the magical looking glass rule.